Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how I make banana bread. As you can see, you only need very few ingredients. The recipe calls for walnuts, which I did not have on hand, but I did it just the same. So follow me along as I do the banana bread. And just like that, the banana bread is ready. It didn't take that long, but it came out really good. I wish you could smell the banana bread. The smell was amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you are not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. Until the next time, bye bye.